This wedding video was enhanced for Mother's Day as a small but heartfelt gift. The quality difference can't go unnoticed. And the good news is that you can do this too with any videos. Here is how. So the theme is Mother's Day and gifts. Regardless how old you are, your mother for sure has videos from her life that needs some level of enhancement. Now, there are a lot of aspects of video enhancement, and you don't always know what you'll need and when, so therefore it's good to have one tool that does it all. The Video Enhancer AI in the UniConverter is one amazing tool like that, so in this video, it's what we're going to use. If you don't have it, you can download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Then open it and click on the Video Enhancer AI that's featured right up here. Okay, so let's take a look at this tool. On the left side, you can import your videos up to 20 per export. I'll import these 3 that I want to work on now. On the right side, you have all of the enhancement functions the tool has. As you can see, these 9 functions can tackle a whole range of problems a video clip might have. For quality enhancement, you have 3 options. You have Standard, Ultra, or Topaz. Ultimately, the Topaz feature will give us the best result, but alternatively, you have a few more options to customize with the Ultra Gen AI feature. Well, for the best result, I'm going to go with Topaz. Then I choose an output folder for the files and finally click on Export All. The process will take a minute. You can see the progress on the video thumbnails here. Okay, everything is done. Now let's take a look at the results. So these were the original videos. Low quality, low resolution, and a little faded. And these are the enhanced ones, vivid, clear, and with a higher resolution. Alright, this is how simple it is to enhance old video clips and make gifts out of them for special occasions like Mother's Day. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We post tutorials every week. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.